Hi children, this is R.K. Reddy from Vijnana Bharati High School. We have done very few classes on basic English grammar for daily conversation. Today I plan to teach about question tags. So the meaning of question tags or definition of the question tags and importance of the question tags, everything I used to share with you. In our conversation in daily life, the use of question tags is very common. So what is a question tag? First we need to know about question tag. Here a question tag is, it is a phrase. A question phrase added to a statement is called a question tag. A question phrase added to a statement is called a question tag. We have some set of rules while practicing in this chapter. The rules we need to know all one after one at first. Only special verbs are used in question tags. This is first point, first rule. Only special verbs are used in question tags. Statements with verb 1 have the question tag with do or does. Statement with verb 1 have question tag with do or does. If the statement with verb 2, question tag should be with did. Positive statement gets negative question tag. Negative statement gets positive question tag. Positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. Here, subject of the question tag is always in the form of a pronoun, that is just like I, we, you, he, she, they, it, like that. Here always subject of the question tag is always in the form of a pronoun like I, you, we, have, he, she, they, like that. Short form of a negative should be used in the negative question tag. Short form negatives should be used in the special verbs. Just like dear students, first we have to recollect the special verbs in our English language. In other way, we call these special verbs helping verbs or be forms or an auxiliary verbs. Helping verbs, be forms or an auxiliary verbs. Here, what are the helping verbs or special verbs we use in these question tags? Because the presence of this special verbs is very important in this question tag. It's very important. We use these question tags always with only special verbs. We relate or we write all the question tags with only special verbs or helping verbs. They are is, am, was, were, do, does, did, have, has, had, will, would, shall, should, can, could, and so on. Here, these are the special verbs. List of special verbs or helping verbs or an auxiliary verb or be forms. So, now we start taking some statements to add question tag to the same. Now first of all, again we need to define the question tags. A question phrase is added to a statement is called a question tag. First of all, we need to write a statement. He tells the truth. He tells the truth. First, we need to find the statement whether it is in the positive or negative form. Positive or negative form. First of all, he tells the truth. We do not find any negative sense here, and we recognize and underline the verb part in the sentence, that is tells. That is in the form of present tense. When the verb is in the present tense, we use either do or does. Either do or does. If the verb is in the past tense, that is verb to, we have to use did. Now, our sentence, he tells the truth. In this sentence, tells is the verb. Here, this is verb 1. We divide this verb into does plus tell. Does plus tell. So, what is the special verb in this tells? Does. Okay. Then, what shall we do here? We need to write a question tag. Again, I write the same sentence. He tells the truth. But we do not keep here full stop at the end of the sentence. We keep comma, and it is already in the does form. Tells is in the does form, that is, we split this tells into does plus tell. Then, if the sentence is in a positive, we write the question tag in the negative form. Negative question tag is for positive statement, positive question tag for a negative statement. Here I said positive statement gets a negative question tag, negative statement gets a positive question tag. Here this is a positive statement, that's why we should write question tag in the negative form. That is, here what is there in the tells? Does, doesn't. Doesn't he? Question mark. This is a question tag. He tells the truth, doesn't he? That is, this is the answer. We made a question tag. We added a question tag to the statement. The statement is in positive. So, question tag should be in the negative form. Negative question tag is added to a positive statement. Negative question tag is added to a positive statement. We are checking the rules here. Negative positive statement gets a negative question tag. This is a positive statement added by question tag in negative. And short forms. Here, short form of negatives. This positive statement gets a negative question tag and short form. Here, doesn't, short form, negative short forms. Does not. So here, doesn't he. He is in the subject. Subject already, he is there. Even instead of he, if Rama is here, Rama tells the truth. Though there is a name, we get he because here in the subject it is belongs to a boy. Belongs to a boy. That is why instead of this Rama, pronoun we use in the question tag is he. Already in this sentence they gave he tells the truth. He tells the truth. That is why same pronoun we use in the question tag. With positive statement, negative question tag is formed here. But in the place of pronoun, now already it is pronoun, we take same pronoun. If noun is given here in the subject, its pronoun we take. We do not take the noun in the question tag. That is another rule. Next, another sentence we take. He will tell the truth. He will tell the truth. This is a sentence. In this sentence, we need to find the verb part. He will, sorry. In this sentence, we need to find the verb part in the sentence. He will tell the truth. Already we can find here special verb. If the main verb is given in the sentence only, we need to find out whether it is in the do form or does form or did form. I mean, in the form of verb 1 or verb 2. If the sentence is with special verb, we need not bother about the main verb. We go with only the special verb. He will tell the truth. Now for this, the sentence or statement is in the positive sense. He will tell the truth. Positive statement. So for positive statement, what shall we get? Negative question tag. Already subject is also in the form of pronoun. Subject of the question tag is always in pronouns. But already question tag in question statement is, in statement the subject is he, that is a pronoun. We take the same pronoun to the question tag. Now we go with this will. We write again the same statement. He will tell the truth. But we should not keep here full stop, comma. And then we add question tag to this statement, positive statement. It is will. So, won't. So, in the subject, already pronoun he is there. He. Won't he? Question mark. This is the answer. He will tell the truth. Won't he? So, this is the question tag which is added to a statement given in the positive sense. For positive sense, positive statement, negative question tag. For negative statements, positive question tags. For example, if the sentence is in the negative sense, we need to write positive question tag. He won't tell the truth. Then we write a question tag in positive. Won't. Will he? is a question tag added to a negative statement. He won't tell the truth. Here won't is the helping verb with the negative sense. That is why negative statement gets a positive question tag. Pronoun. The same pronoun we take here to write, to frame a positive question tag to this statement. He will tell the truth. This is the positive statement, got a negative question tag. He won't to tell the truth. This is a negative statement, gets positive question tag. Next, another example we can take. Misha is very quick. Misha is very quick. So we can identify the verb part in the sentence, that is here is. Misha is very quick. Now we need to find some facts about this sentence, whether it is in the positive or negative or verb part. If the verb is in the main form, we can identify its present tense or past tense, verb 1 or verb 2. Then whether the statement is in the with the verb 1, we use do or does. If the statement with verb 2, we have to use did. So now here already statement is there already with the special verb. We need not bother about like this. Now Misha is very quick. Misha is very quick. Now statement is in a positive sense. Misha is very quick. Positive statement. So positive statement gets the negative question tag. So from the same sentence we get some words to use to make a question tag. What are the things to bring out from this? We can use first one is Misha. Misha is a girl. What is the pronoun for this Misha? Misha is a girl. That is why. What is the pronoun for this Misha? She. Misha, she, girl. That is why we use pronoun she. We do not take Misha to the question tag. This is a girl. That is why we take the pronoun she. Now we can write the statement with question tag. Misha is very quick. Here full stop at the sentence, but in this Misha is very quick, comma. Misha is very quick. This is a positive statement. That is why it gets a negative question tag. It gets a negative question tag. Isn't. Is the special verb provided here in the sentence. That is why it's a short form of negative. Short form negatives should be used. Short form negatives should be used for helping verbs. Isn't. We do not use Misha here in the question tag. We have to use only pronouns. They are available here. We have to use only pronouns. In negative, if the statement is positive, negative question tag. But in always question tags, we do not use nouns. We use only pronouns of the subject. So what is the subject here? Misha. Misha is a girl. That is why we have to use its pronoun she. Question mark. Here the subject of the question tag is always pronouns. Subject of the question tag. Here this is the question tag. its subject should be in always pronouns. We should not use Misha here again in the question tag. So, Misha is very quick. Misha is very quick. Isn't she? Sometimes we may express in our daily conversation and we use these question tags very commonly. Sometimes I too share with Telugu meanings. Here, Misha is very quick. Misha చాలా చురుగ్గా వేగంగా ఉంటుంది. కాదా, ఆమె కాదా అని అడుగుతున్నాం మనం. Isn't she? ఆమె అలా కాదా అని అడుగుతున్నాం. Because this sentence is in the positive form. అప్పుడు మనం క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్లో నెగిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ని, నెగిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ని ప్రిపేర్ చేశాం. పాజిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్, నెగిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్. If the statement is negative, for example, Misha is not very quick. Misha is not very quick. Isn't. Already in the sentence there is not. So, what kind of statement is it? Negative statement. What kind of statement? Negative statement. Misha isn't very quick. So, we use only special verbs with pronouns in the question tag. What is the special verb used here already? Is. We write comma, is, and negative statement with not, isn't. So here what is there? Negative statement. Here negative sense is here. Negative statement gets what? Negative statement gets positive question tag. In the question tag, positive sense should be there. Okay, instead of Misha, what did we use here? She. Is she? Question mark. That's enough. This is, you see, we can differentiate these both positive statement and negative statement here. Misha is very quick, isn't she? Misha isn't very quick, is she? Misha చాలా చురుకైన వేగవంతమైన అమ్మాయి, ఆమె అలా కాదా? మిషా చురుకైన అమ్మాయి లేదా చాలా స్పీడ్గా ఉండే అమ్మాయి కాదు, అవునా అని అడుగుతున్నాం. నెగిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ గెట్స్ పాజిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్, పాజిటివ్ స్టేట్మెంట్ గెట్స్ నెగిటివ్ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్. ఎనీహౌ, in our daily conversation we have to use very commonly these statements with question tags, very general. So we need to find the rules to be used in the while making question tags. What are they? Only special verbs are using. We use only special verbs in question tag. This one question tag, this one question tag. Here only special verb we used. That to another. In subject only pronouns we are using. In subject only pronouns we are using. For positive statement negative question tag. For negative statement positive question tag. Reverse. And again short form of the negative. Short form of the negative. Isn't. We should not use is not. Instead of that, isn't. Only this is correct, this is wrong. We should not use is not in the question tag. We have to use isn't. Short form of the negative with special verb should be used. These are the rules we have to follow while making question tags to the statements, whether it is a positive or a negative. I go with some other sentences. I can finish this work today. For another statement. I can finish this work today. This is the statement here. In this statement we have to recognize the verb word in the sentence. I can finish this work today. I can finish this work today. First of all, if we find the special verb in the statement, simple. We go to make changes with only special verb. We need not bother about the main verb. Already finish is also a verb which is in the main form. This is a special verb. Now we do all the changes with only the special verb. The statement is in the form of a positive state. Here, I can finish this work today. This is a positive statement. This is a positive statement. If can is added by not, I cannot, that is a negative statement. But this is a positive statement. Positive statement gets a negative question tag. So, I can, already subject is in the form of a pronoun. We need not bother about the same subject we can use in the question tag. I can finish this work today. I can finish this work today. నేను ఈరోజు ఈ పనిని పూర్తి చేస్తాను. I can. He is speaking about his ability. Her ability. I can finish this work today. This is a positive statement. So at the end of the positive statement, we add question tag after keeping a comma here. We do not write full stop in the answer. This is, I can finish this work today. Special verb is can. So subject is I. Question mark. But here sentence is in the positive sense. That is why we have to write here can't. Cannot. What is this? Cannot. But short form of cannot is can't I. Can't I? So here statement is in the positive sense. I can finish this work today. Can't I? నేను ఈరోజు ఈ పనిని పూర్తి చేస్తాను. నేను అలా చేయలేనా, అలా కాదా అనేటువంటి సెన్స్లో మనం యూజ్ చేస్తున్నాం. ఈ క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ అనేది స్టేట్మెంట్ పాజిటివ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు నెగిటివ్లో క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ ఉంటుంది. స్టేట్మెంట్ నెగిటివ్లో ఉన్నప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్ ట్యాగ్ పాజిటివ్లో ఉంటుంది. సేమ్ స్టేట్మెంట్కి మనం నెగిటివ్ రాద్దాం. ఐ కాంట్ finish this work today, comma. I can't finish this work today. Here already this statement is in a negative form. This negative statement gets a positive question tag. This negative statement gets a positive question tag. So here in this, what is the special verb used in the sentence? Can. So here cannot, negative statement. That's why we should not use can't here, only can. And the pronoun is used I. So can I? Question mark. So here we need to check with the rules. The statement is in a positive. We do not find any negative sense here. That is why question tag is added with the negative sense, with not, can't I. Here this statement is in a negative sense. I can't finish this work today. Can I? Can I? Question mark. So like this, for positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. Special verbs are used, or helping verbs are used in a negative question tag in the short form, that is cannot, can't. In the form of short, we should write cannot. Instead of cannot, we use can't. Can't I? Here negative statement, positive question tag. Pronouns are used in the subject. Only pronouns are used in the subject. For example, Ravi. Here Ravi is a boy. Then Ravi can't finish this work today. Then what shall we do here? Cannot. This is a negative statement, positive special verb. We do not use a negative sense there in the question tag. But now subject Ravi. Ravi, we do not write Ravi as it is in the question tag. What is the pronoun for this Ravi? He. This is a boy, that is why he. Pronoun of this Ravi is he. If a girl name is here, we should write she. Instead of Ravi, if there is a Sita, we write she. Instead of noun, we need to write its pronoun. Boy is here, we write he. If girl is there, we should write she. Now, Ravi can't, Ravi can't finish this work today. Can he? Question mark. This is making of question tag. Adding a question phrase added to a statement is called question tag. That question. Here, one another sentence we have to practice. Richa will sing a song. Richa will sing a song. Here, different sentences we are using with some special verbs in the presence of the special verb in the sentence. Richa will sing a song. In the next session, we go with the only main verb present in the sentence. Now we are practicing with only special verb. Either will, would, or shall, should, can, could, he, has, had, do, does, did, is, am, was, were, like that. Here in this sentence, what is the verb part here? First, special verb we found. Now this is will. Richa will sing a song. Richa will sing a song. So the sentence or statement is in positive form. So for this positive statement, we get negative question tag. Now you see, Richa will sing a song. Richa will sing a song, question, comma, already will. What is the short form of, negative short form of will not? Will not. Here won't. Only short form should be used in the negative sense. Will not. We should not use like this directly. Won't. Here, Richa will sing. Richa will sing a song. Here, Richa is a girl. That is why we have to write its pronoun she. Won't she? Question mark. This is the question tag we made here to this positive statement. Now we go with a negative statement for the same. Richa won't sing a song. Richa won't sing a song. This is a statement with negative sense. Richa won't sing a song. Already negative statement with will not, won't. Then what is the split form here? Will not. What is there in this won't? Will. Now we bring out that special verb from the sentence and write in the question tag at first. Will. Then subject. Richa. Shall we write Richa here? No. Only pronouns to be used. Subject of the question tag is always pronouns. I, we, you, she, he, it, they, like that. Here, Richa won't sing a song. Here the statement is in the negative. That is why we write here only positive question tag. Will. Instead of Richa, we have to write here she. Will she? Question mark. This is the statement with question tag in negative. Negative statement, positive question tag. You cannot find here negative question tag here for this negative statement. Positive statement, negative question tag, negative statement, positive question tag. You can find only won't, not in this question tag because its statement is in positive sense. Here you cannot identify, you cannot find not in this question tag because already the statement is in a negative sense. Can you understand, children? Always we have to tally with the rules for every answer. Negative statement gets a positive question tag. Positive statement gets a negative question tag. Only pronouns should be used in question tags. Special verbs should have to be used with the short form of negatives in question tags, in negative question tag or positive question tag. So these are the set of rules we have to go through while changing these sentences or finding the question tags for different kinds of statements like positive statement or negative statement. So in the next session we go with some other sentences with only the main verb present in the sentence. Okay, have a nice day. May God bless you. Thank you.